Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got a snack box and it's one that I've not had in a while, and it is BackSnackers. This was sent to me for free to review. The lovely Freddie at BackSnackers. I've worked with them before. I'll link my other video for you. They've very kindly given me a discount code, which I'll put here, which will get you 50% off your first box. And it expires on the 1st of August, so you've got a month to use it. It's a really cool snack box where every month they have like a different country. They've recently done some updates, which I'm literally just going to read from an email for you so that I can make sure I say it all right, because you know what I'm like. They've done an eco-friendly change where the menu to show you what is in the pack is now like a QR code that you scan, so I'll do that. They've updated the system so that customers are billed on the 15th of every month and the packs arrive towards the end of the month. You can now pause or cancel your subscription directly from the online thing. You don't need to contact anyone, you can just do it from your account area. If you sign up and then you refer someone, you get a £5 credit for every person that you refer. That's anybody can do that. You don't have to be like YouTuber or anything like that. Anybody can do that. And if you want to change your pack, they can send an email and we can do that for them. So like there's different levels of packs. So there's the Discovery Pack, which is 6 snacks from a different distant land every month. You get the guidebook, the snack activities, eco-friendly menu which you scan, free UK shipping, cancel any time. There's the Adventure Pack, which has 12 snacks from a different country every time, a drink, and then a BackSnackers guide, and then a Metro map, which is $22.99 but currently $18.99. So the two different options that you can have. I think this is the Adventure Pack. So without further ado, let's jump in. Ooh, Italy! It looks like this. And then you've got your little, what do I call it? Where is it? Where do I scan here? So you get your little thing which gives you, this has got a game in it, some Italian phrases, quick facts, and then sounds from Italy, and then it's got a recipe on the back as well. So you just need to get your camera open. If you don't know how to use a QR code, you literally just go towards it and then it will come up and you click on it and it will take you to the page to show you what's in it. I don't know how to change that. Mine says America on here, which is not. I've got Italy, but we can go through this anyway, it's fine. So, oh my god, what are you? I don't know what this is, but that looks delicious. Cookies with sugar grains. I'm not going to want any lunch, am I? I will get the kids when they come back from school to try everything as well. These are massive. Mmm. Oh my god. They're yummy. They taste a bit like the Nice biscuits or Nice biscuits. I never know which way you're supposed to say it. I say Nice biscuits. They taste like them. Mmm. That's delicious. Pavensi. Again, I don't know what anything is. Biscotti, I think. Ooh, I thought biscotti was hard. These are like, they're really light and I feel like they're gonna... Mmm. Yeah, that's just like an almond biscotti. That's delicious. Right. Oh, I've got a drink. San Pellegrino. Pomelo? I don't know. Sparkling grapefruit. I'm either going to love this or I feel like I'm going to pull a stupid face. Because I like grapefruit, but I don't know how I feel about grapefruit in a drink. Oh no, it's nice. Oh, it's very tart aftertaste. Initially it's like really sweet and then you get hit with the grapefruit bitter. It's nice, eh? This is just going to end up being my whole lunch. Right. I've got a Nutella Be Ready bar. I'm not going to open this because I've had them before. It's just like a wafer full of chocolate spread. And if I open this, I will eat the entire thing, which I don't want to do because the kids will be sad. But these are bloody delicious. If you like Nutella. If you don't like Nutella, you're gonna like it, but I love them. There's a lot of sweet things. Again, I'm not gonna open this. It's a Bueno. I'll save that for the kids. I think everybody in the world knows what a Bueno tastes like. Delicious. Sweet, sweet. I think there's 2 lots of crisps that aren't sweet. There's 2 whole packets of biscuits in here. And these are biscuits with hazelnut and cocoa filling. So this sounds like more Nutella-y stuff. Let's have a look. And just a little. I'm doing this on my bed, so I need to be careful. They're really nice because the biscuit isn't sweet. Like, it doesn't taste like there's any sugar in the biscuit. So it's just like a buttery biscuit, but then chocolate in the middle. I know, so I wasn't going to eat all of it, but that's delicious. Another one with chocolate. I will open these when the kids get home. I'm not showing you. But I'll wait for the kids for that one. I'll open some crisps. Wavy potato crisps. I think they're plain. Ready salted. Yeah. Oh, they smell well good. They smell like size of that fucker. Massive. They taste like, they're not as thick as McCoy's, but they're like, what is it? I can't think. There's a crisp over here that you can get. And it tastes like them. They're delicious. I love crisps. So I've got 2 lots of wafers. These are hazelnut, so I assume that they'll taste like chocolate bread. And then these ones are cocoa, so I'm going to try these ones. There's something like this that you can get in a Costa, because Fox always has them whenever we go. He loves them. That, it's like a really dark chocolate filling on that one. It's like not very sweet. It's like proper dark chocolate. That's delicious. Yum. I let the kids open these because I guarantee they will just demolish that whole pack in like a minute. And then I've got 2 packets of Ringo biscuits, vanilla and chocolate. Let's have a look. Is there a specific way of opening these? Is there a little tab? There is a little tab. Can I get it? Probably not. Open. Oh, just... I like a chocolate side and a vanilla side, and this one's filled with chocolate. Again, the biscuits aren't sweet. So like, you know, some biscuits you'll have, you might have like 1 or 2, but they're really overly sweet. The biscuits aren't sweet, just the chocolate inside is sweet, so they're really nice. I'm pretty sure I could eat a whole packet. I won't. And then more crisps. I think these are just plain as well. Yeah, just ready salted. Yum. Oh my god, I love them. My favourite thing, that first biscuit, they are so yummy. Absolutely bloody delicious. You also get a little metro map of Naples. That's really cool. I'm going to stop eating all the snacks now and go and eat some lunch, and then when the kids get home I will open everything that I haven't already opened, and I'll let them come and talk to you guys because they love being on the videos and you guys like seeing them. I will talk to you when the kids come home from school. Hey, it's 6:30. The boy is asleep. And there's 2 little people here that would like to try some stuff from the box, wouldn't you? Yeah. So, from Italy. This was Mummy's favourite thing from the box.
Wow, these are really cool.
They're really pretty, aren't they?
Oh my god, they're so good.
You like them?
Yeah. Shortbread.
They do taste like shortbread, but with sugar on.
Yeah.
You don't have to eat the whole thing now. This was another one I didn't open. These are like the ones we've had in Costa. Foxy likes these, doesn't he?
Yeah. I don't want the rest of this.
That's fine. Yeah? Oh, this was a biscuit with more Nutella. Oh, it's not a biscuit. It's a wafer. Good. Yeah? Put it in the box. This was a little biscotti. Sometimes biscotti are really, really hard. Middle. We're not going to open the bueno. We're going to put that in the fridge for another day. And the Nutella bar. You're going to love these, Ari.
Oh goodness, they're good.
Yummy, aren't they?
There's a difference.
Yeah. One twinkly. Yeah? There you go. You're just eating your crisps, Ari. What do you reckon? What's your favourite thing?
I like the crisps. I've not tried this yet.
These are still my favourite. I really like them. They're yummy.
I like the Crispies.
No Crispies?
Crispy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Every month there's a different country. It's cool, isn't it? So yeah, this month was Italy.
What about one's Canada?
I don't know, might be. So this is your book and you can go and learn some stuff about Italy. So do you wanna do the outro? What do you say? Can you remember what you say?
Thumbs up.
Give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. What do people need to do? You haven't done an outro for ages. Subscribe. Nobber.
Yeet.
Yeet. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to BackSnackers for sending me the box. It's awesome. I love it. The kids have loved it, and I'm going to let Foxy try everything tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.
Bye.